Hello everyone, welcome to Apurva Ki Pathshala where word comes to life. Do you know, in English language, letter Q is followed by letter U. Are you confused how to introduce this topic to your little ones? It's very simple. Simply just tell your kids that Q and U are best friends. They always come together. Let's see few words where Q and U are coming together. Before blending these words, let's discuss what is the sound Q and U makes. It makes sound. Once again, repeat with me. It makes the sound qu. Let's blend now. Qu a k, quick. Qu a z, quiz. Qu a t, quit. Qu a k, quack. Qu a l, quail. To know more such interesting phonics rule, subscribe my channel Apurva Ki Pathshala and don't forget to like.